Hello everyone, this is Sherri from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing tonight? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me. This is going to be a super quick video. I just wanted to let you know and share with you that I have a new digital kit. So I collaborated with Sherri from Studio 28E, Sherri Czmyr. She's on YouTube and Facebook and she has an Etsy shop. She does digitals and I wanted to do digitals, so we got together and she helped me and I helped her and we helped each other create a digital kit. And this was one of them. There's three. I'm just sharing with you this one tonight, and I'll come back with the other two. But I wanted to show you this one because it's for Easter. It's Easter postcards and cards that we had a collection of. I had some and she had some. And so these are in both of our shops. And so if you need any pretty little Easter postcards and cards for Easter to do your Easter crafting, or you know, junk journals and things that you can use a pretty antique vintage Easter card in, you can drop over and visit our shops. But I just wanted to let you see them, and it's the fronts and the backs of the postcard. So like this one has a cute little bunny on it, and this is the front and this is the back, and it's really cool because it has, you know, the postmark and the stamp and, you know, the writing that was, you know, on the original. So I just think that's so cool to have the front and the back. So we wanted to do that, provide the front and the back. And here's a pretty one here. You can see the lilies there, and all about spring and Easter. And then the next one is this one here. I want to make sure you can see. Okay, that's why I'm holding him up a little bit. And so some of them are like this and some of them are horizontal. So these two are horizontal, and you can see like this one, these are all old and vintage, but like this one was never used. And so that goes with this one. And then here, this one says Best Easter Wishes. And here this one was used. And so you have all that fun writing and postage stamp on there. Okay. And now these are printed on just copy paper. I just didn't have time to get them printed on like bond or anything else. So I just said, well, let me print them on some copy paper, and they came out really beautiful, even on just copy paper. Sherri does a really great job of her digital designs, and her colors are just so pretty. Whenever you print, when you see them online, they're beautiful, but when you see them printed out, they're like just amazing. So this one's up and down. This is one that had never been used. You can see the back here. It's just the way it was. That's the way we got it, and that's the way, you know, it looks here. It looks just like the original. So here it says Easter Greetings, and here's another one here, just the way we got it, even with a little bit of whatever that is. Somebody put their initials on there. So, and then here's the writing. You know, it's faded, but that's how it is. That's how the original was. And here's the postmark and everything. Very cool on those two, or those, yeah, there's two postcards, front and back. And then this one is really neat. Here, look at this different color here, a joyful Easter. And this one says Easter Greetings. There's the front and there's the back. So cool, right? And then this one is horizontal, Easter Joy, and you can see it was addressed to Miss Gladys Allen there. So cool. Look at this one. This is you know, vertical. So here's a Happy Easter with the cross and the flowers, and this one looks like it's embossed. You can see the embossing around the edge there. That turned out really pretty. And here's, you can see even embossing on the this part right here from the front. This must have been embossed too, and you can see it through the back there. That's really cool. That came out so cool. And then this is the last bit here. These look like they're the four cards. The four cards. There's 10. What is it? 10. There's 24 images altogether. 4 cards and then 10 images or 20 images of fronts and backs of postcards, or 10 postcards. Anyway, I hope that made sense. So here's a pretty beautiful card here. It's a little card that could be cut out. That would be so cute. You could print these on cardstock, and that's what I'll probably end up doing. I really would like to print these out on cardstock, like manila folder. These would be beautiful printed on manila folder. So as you can see, pretty floral card here, and I think it says, I'm trying to read it, it's God's blessings upon you. Very pretty. And then here's Easter with a cross. All peace be yours. Isn't that beautiful? Just like the original. And this one goes like this, I believe. And just, there's an E on here, probably for Easter, right? And just a beautiful old vintage looking card there. Very, very pretty. So I just wanted to share those with you in case you need these for your projects, since it's a brand new listing in our shops, and you know, nobody knows about it yet probably, so I wanted to just make a little announcement and let everybody know about it. So you know, thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great night, and take care, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you. Good night.